And another shocking mark has been reached in the coronavirus pandemic. Across the country, cases have skyrocketed. Global cases surpassing 1 million. And here in the United States, nearly a quarter of those cases, Michael.
And Darlene, in the United States, New York remains by far the epicenter. In the 5 boroughs, the death toll is now above 1,500. The number of confirmed cases nearing 50,000. So the big headline this morning is new guidance coming from Mayor de Blasio. Covering your face when you're out is recommended, but don't use medical grade masks to do that. We're going to start our coverage, though, with Today in New York's Katherine Creag. Kat's got another strong warning. This comes from Governor Cuomo, and it's about supplies. Kat.
It absolutely is, Darlene and Michael, a dire warning at that. We're hearing from Governor Cuomo about the use of ventilators across the state. He says at the rate that coronavirus patients are using them, the supplies of ventilators will be gone in 6 days from now. We know that coronavirus patients are now being taken to this location where we are, the field hospital at the Javits Center. Taking a look at this, we're also hearing from paramedics this morning who are telling us that they're having a difficult time grappling with a new policy. They've now been instructed not to transport cardiac arrest patients to the hospital if they cannot be revived out in the field. They would not be able to take that next step in having hospital medical workers try and resuscitate a patient. Those paramedics are also telling us that they're dealing with 16-hour shifts every day and a massive surge in 911 calls. And that's why hundreds of additional EMT and paramedics arrived to New York yesterday from other parts of the country. They met there in Queens. Mayor de Blasio and others were there. 500 paramedics and 250 ambulances are now here in the city. They will try and relieve an overwhelmed EMT force. Our local paramedics talked about that.
We were never trained for this. No EMT, no paramedic was told how to go into battlefield triage mode, how to do wartime conditions in New York City.
And as you take a look at the field hospital footage from the Javits Center, we're also hearing from Governor Cuomo, who told us about the ventilator usage. He said that there is a possibility to repurpose anesthesia machines as ventilators, also splitting ventilators into using on 2 patients at the same time, and then possibly, Darlene and Michael, moving ventilators from hospitals in upstate New York down here to the city. Reporting live from the Javits Center, Katherine Creag, Today in New York. We'll send it back to you.
Well, trying to bring in where the need is the greatest, Kat. Thank you so much.